Good morning, fam. If your hips are tight, your back feels heavy, and your energy's stuck on yesterday, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll melt tension, lengthen your spine, and ease your body into a deeper breath. Stay with me. Those last 2 stretches will change everything. Let's hit the mat. Begin in child's pose, knees wide, arms forward, hips sinking back. Feel that deep sigh of relief in your lower back. Now inhale and glide forward into cobra. Chest lifts, shoulders pull down, hips hover just above the mat. Flow back and forth between child's pose and cobra for the full minute. This is your spine's morning yawn. I promise this gentle wave motion will nourish your nervous system and reawaken your posture. Beginners, keep your cobra low, no need to force height. Advanced stretches, a pause in each pose to feel the full reset. Did you know that this combo can reduce anxiety by calming your vagus nerve without even breaking a sweat? Last flow. Pause and breathe deeply for 5 seconds in cobra. Can you feel that space opening between your vertebrae? If not, keep watching what unfolds next. That just unlocked your back. Now let's open the shoulders. From all fours, walk your hands forward, lowering your chest and forehead to the floor. Keep your hips stacked above your knees. Feel the tension melt across your chest and shoulders. This is where your posture begins to shift. I promise this one move will reverse hours of desk time and help prevent future shoulder stiffness. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest. Advanced stretches, try reaching your chin toward the mat for a deeper stretch. Just 1 minute in this stretch can increase thoracic mobility, making your breathing deeper and fuller all day. Sink a little deeper. Hold for 5 more seconds. Are your shoulders starting to let go? If not, wait until we rotate those hips. That just opened your chest. Now let's unlock your hips. Sit on the floor with your feet flat, knees bent. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Alternate side to side like windshield wipers. Move slowly and mindfully. This isn't just a hip stretch. It's a message to your nervous system that you're safe to relax. I promise this move will bring life back to stiff hips and prep you for deeper flexibility. Beginners, keep your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try with no hands or from a 90/90 seated position. Here's a little fun fact. Internal hip rotation is one of the most overlooked aspects of joint health and a major key to pain-free walking. Let's go 5 more reps, each side. Do you feel that difference from side to side? That imbalance tells a story we'll start correcting in the next stretch. That just prepped your hips. Now it's time for a deeper release. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Hands rest on your belly or out wide. You've earned stillness here. This is where recovery becomes restoration. I promise this will release tension from your inner thighs, hips, and even your low back. Beginners, place blocks or pillows under your knees. To advanced stretches, reach your arms overhead to increase the stretch through your torso. Did you know this stretch activates your parasympathetic system, your rest and digest mode? Take a deep breath. Hold the stretch for 5 more seconds. Do you feel your hips surrendering? Don't worry, if they're resisting, your body's learning trust again. That just reset your hips. Now for the final challenge. Stay on your back, extend your legs long, now draw them toward your chest. Begin making slow circles with your knees, then switch directions after 30 seconds. This is your final mobility upgrade. Restorative, powerful, and intentional. I promise this move will unlock deeper hip freedom and improve how you walk, sit, and even sleep. Beginners, keep the circle small and controlled. Advanced stretches, try lifting your head slightly for core activation. This tiny movement creates massive benefits in joint lubrication and lower back stability. Push for bigger, smoother circles. 5 more seconds. Can you feel how different one side feels than the other? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth and not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.